Okay, we're in the booth. First thing to do is to put your headphones on so that you can hear what's going into the microphone. Now with your headphones, your headphones will be plugged into the microphone here. Be careful of the cord. You'll hear, if I leave the cord down beside the microphone, you can hear that it interferes with the recording. So I've tucked it up behind the little knob on the stand there. You need to wear headphones. Every person in here that's recording needs to wear headphones, because what you're hearing through your ears is not necessarily what the microphone is picking up. Here is your headphone volume. If your headphone volume is turned up too high, the temptation is to soften your voice and get in really close. And you'll get that love song dedication kind of feel. So don't have your headphone up too high, and that way you'll get that nice projected natural feel to your voice, if that's what you're after. Of course you might want that sort of close miking technique, right? So you want that at a sort of a mid-range so that anyone with headphones on will feel secure enough to project a little, to talk to someone in a natural kind of volume. There are two ways to adjust the microphone. The direction of the mic is here, and the height of the mic is with this one. This microphone is designed to pick up in a kind of a semicircle range. So you can hear that as long as I'm this distance from the microphone, I can move off to the side quite a bit without falling behind the pickup. You can hear me behind the pickup now, but at this angle here I'm okay, and I'm okay right round to about here. So there can be more than one of you in here on the mic at the same time. However, once you start to move away from the mic, you'll go off mic fairly quickly, and you do not want that effect. Unless, of course, you're doing screaming down the hall like this, then you might want to be this distance from the mic. Closer to the mic that you get, the softer, more intimate performance that you can achieve. A few things to be careful of when you do your recording in terms of the microphone. Unwanted noises. For instance, a distortion and popping. Popping is where air itself, you're too close and the air itself from your mouth is hitting the internal workings of the microphone, and it sounds like this. You can hear it physically, the air physically belting against that the coil in the microphone. The other one is distortion, and you cannot get rid of distortion or popping from your original recording. So if you hear that back during the playback of your session, you need to re-record. Another potential problem with recording and noise, unwanted noise, is paper. You can hear that your script will make noise, and it'll especially make noise when you're changing pages, when you're moving along in your project. Don't stick your pages together, because that will create a bundle of pages which will be very difficult to keep quiet. Have them separate, and as you use the pages, find somewhere to put them down quietly, and then go to the next page. So you may have to pause between turning pages.